All right, guys, how's it going? I'm currently in the office right now, okay? And everybody in the office today, I'm giving them opportunity to take a trade, all right, with my own personal capital. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put $50 in each person's trade. And if the trade hits TP, they have access to the full capital, right? They are the full profit rather, not my own capital, right? So I'm going to take the trade with my capital, but if you hit full TP, I'll give whatever profit that I've made to them. But if you hit stop loss, this is where the issue is. If you hit stop loss, they are going to pay me back whatever amount that I lose in that stop loss. All right, so I'll go around now. Everybody will mention their token. I want to put this on record. I want you to bear witness to this. By the way, if you want to be a part of this challenge, I will need you in the office and you need to come here because I cannot do it online. Because some of you will just, disappear. You will not keep to your own part of the bargain. If I tell you now that you will return my stop loss, okay, you will not return it, okay? But if you are here, whenever you come to the office and you want to take a trade, let's assume that you don't have any capital. I'm ready to risk my own capital for that. And whatever profit you make, you keep 100% of it to yourself, right? But if you hit stop loss, we'll begin to now argue whether I'll give you, I'll let you go or you pay me back the money, all right? If that works for you, if it resonates with you, then you're welcome. All right, so I'll go one after the other from one desk to another, asking them which token, and I want you guys to be. Don't worry, I will update you with the progress, right? I will update you with the progress. If you hit stop loss, fine. If you hit TP, I'll equally let you know. Okay? Let's go around and see what happens. Okay, so we are here with Abdul, and he will tell us the token is taking, and I'll put a trade. He's going to send a trade setup, okay? Then I'll put money in it. So what token are you trading?
Okay, I'm trading 𝗘𝗍𝗱𝗍𝗍.
𝗘𝗍𝗱𝗍𝗍?
Yes.
All right. So how long will it take you to send me the setup?
Okay, within the next 1 hour, I should be able to set the setup.
1 hour, okay. Why you 1 hour?
Because he's my brain.
Okay. Let's go with 1 hour. No wahala. But just send it. Your trade, I'm going to hold it for maximum of 48 hours. Okay, and then minimum of 5 minutes.
Alright.
Alright?
After you collected my...
Muiz will give us a setup and then we're going to take the trade on his behalf. So Muiz, what are we trading?
I'm trading Litecoin.
Litecoin. Okay, so how long will it take you to give me the setup?
The next 10 minutes.
Next 10 minutes. Alright. So let's wait for the next 10 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so this is Chooks. What are we trading?
Cardano.
Cardano. So how long will it take you to give me a setup?
Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes. All right, so let's see how it goes. So this is Priceless. Many of you might have known her. She's the one about giving you offers on airdrops, on mint coins, and all of that. So what are we trading?
We're taking Solana.
Solana.
Yes.
So how soon are we expecting?
Just give me 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes is fine.
All right.
You don't watch me do it.
Go ahead, we'll watch you do it, but let's put this together first. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. All right, so let's see. I have 4 different trades right now. Okay, we're talking about 𝗘𝗍𝗱𝗍𝗍, Solana, Litecoin, and Cardano. So I'm going to take a trade. Okay, if it goes well this time around, maybe next time we can increase the stake. But today we are doing just $50. And whatever the result or the outcome of these trades are, I will share them with you, okay, in my next video, right? So if you want to be a part of this challenge, we'll be doing this very often. We choose just 2 days of the week to be doing this. We'll be doing this very often. So if you want to be a part of this, you can come. If you know how to trade, actually, if you know how to trade, you can do analysis very well. And you don't have the capital, why not come in here? Tell us, share your trade setup with us. We take the trades on your behalf, and whatever the profits are, you keep 100% of them. All right, see you guys in the next video. By the way, if you are not on our Telegram platform, make sure that you use the link on my bio in the video description to join us on Telegram. Okay, and lest I forget, Bybit campaign for the $1,000 position airdrop is still ongoing. Okay, that will expire on the 28th, so make sure you take advantage of that before it expires.